Hey everybody, what's going on? It's Mr. Hino with Mr. Hino's Lego Robotics. Today's video, I'm going to do today's video like I've never done it before. It's going to be kind of like a news report. I have a bunch of things that I'm going to tell you about or information, but it didn't seem like enough to make a giant video about. So today's going to be kind of a news report on some really cool things in robotics. So if you want to see that, stay with me.
Hino, Lego Robotics.
Okay guys, so the first thing I want to do is tell you about this new cool feature on YouTube called Clips. It's a really cool way for you to take a YouTube video and cut it or basically clip it into a section to share on social media. You know, sometimes you have this video that you're like, man, that'd be cool to share with whoever, but it's sometimes a long video and there's a really cool part to it. Now YouTube has made it available where you can take any YouTube video, unless the person, denied permission to do this, but you can take a video and basically clip it and then share it on social media. Let me go ahead and show you on my computer. Okay guys, so I'm on my computer here and I have my weightlifter video up here. So this video you can see is 4 minutes and 13 seconds long, and I wouldn't want to share that whole video on social media. I just want to share the part where the weightlifter lifts the weight. So we're going to go down here. If you can see right there, there is the clip part, and it should be underneath every YouTube video. So we're going to go ahead and click on that clip. And the part that I want to clip is the part where I put my hand in front of it and the robot lifts up the weight. So I'm just going to go ahead and try to figure out where that is. Let me just get to that point right. And you can use this slider there's my hand right there. And then you can also slide it to shorten wherever it's going to come back. Yeah, right about there. Okay, so it's about 16 seconds long. I just put my hand in front of it. The weightlifter lifts it up. And then I just want to have it come back down again. And I can even shorten that even more because, okay. And what it'll do, it tells me right down here, it's 13 and a half seconds long. He lifts up the weight and he'll come back down right there. And yeah, that's about good, 13 and a half seconds. So when I'm happy with that, I'm just gonna I have to give this thing a title. So let's just type this in and call this Lego EV3 weightlifter. Okay, so as soon as I give this a title, now I can click share clip. And it's going to go ahead and give me the different social media sites that I can share this on. So those of you that want to share it on Twitter or Facebook, if we keep going, Pinterest, Tumblr, LinkedIn. And so down here, there's a place to copy that, and then you would paste that link in whatever social media place that they let you paste that. So it's just a cool way to, again, show just a quick clip of a video. And you can share Mr. Hino's videos as a clip. I definitely put permission for anybody to share any kind of clip on that. So it's that easy, guys. So once I copy this, then I would just hop onto the social media site and then just paste that in, and you've shared that link. So that's how easy that is. Okay, another thing that I want to talk to you guys about is a spring competition. So every year we have a spring competition. We basically call it the Spring Showdown. Usually it's at Legoland, but this year the location is unknown. But what's really cool this year is it's called Planes, Trains, and Robot Mobiles. And so the really cool thing about the Spring Showdown is they take the year's models. So this year they're going to take the Cargo Connect models and they're going to put it on a new mat. So it's really cool. The Spring Showdown is going to be April 30th. And like I said, we don't know the location, but hey, if we usually go to Legoland, then any other location will probably be closer. But what's really neat is here is a picture of the Planes, Trains, and Robot Mobile mat. And so we get to figure out, hey, where do you think, the train's going to be, or the cargo plane? I can definitely see where the delivery is. So it's really neat to take a look at the mat and be able to figure out, hey, where is everything going to be? The missions are going to be different, obviously, because it's different mat. And then we have to just figure out, okay, how do we figure out the missions? So once I figure out the missions, I will let you guys know. But it's a really cool opportunity for us to get one last competition in before the school year ends. And lastly, I just wanted to update you guys. I did a video maybe a couple of weeks ago, maybe just last week, on the Robotic Olympics. And I didn't have enough teams participating in to show you any more video. So what I wanted to do is show you more video of some of the other events that were completed. We have some events called the ball drop, where the robot takes the ball and drops as many in as it can in 60 seconds. And we also had another one called the cargo truck, kind of a, taking a mission from this year's Cargo Connect, but making my students do a different type mission. So let me go ahead and show you a few clips from that. Got one. Okay guys, so hopefully you liked my news report. Hopefully you guys get to check out the clips and take advantage of that. Definitely feel free to share any of my videos on social media. If you see something really cool like that weightlifter, and definitely those of you that especially live in the Southern California area, if you get a chance to participate in that Spring Showdown, that'll be very cool. And then also, hopefully you guys enjoyed those clips of the Robotic Olympics. Man, my students really love those Olympics. I mean, they just get so competitive, and they just they look up at the board like, oh, we can beat that, we can beat that. So it's something really neat for the students to be able to participate. Unfortunately, the Olympics are over, but they still get competitive and want to win, not only for their class, but they want to win, the overall, all of the robotics classes. I have 5 robotics classes, so they definitely want to beat, they want to beat any score that they see up on the board. So definitely, if you are a robotics class, maybe you can get a chance to check that out. It's really nice if you have a first Lego League table, so you can kind of confine all the events to that table. But hey, you guys can be creative and let me know what you came up with, okay? All right, guys, hopefully today's news report on robotics was very cool. I am Mr. Hino from Mr. Hino's Lego Robotics. I'm out.
He's out.
He's out.
We got this.
We got this.
We got this, guys.
Hey guys, Mr. Hino here. Thank you so much for watching. And if you love robotics, don't forget to check out these videos also, because they're cool. Okay guys, take care.